This.
Yeah, literally that.
3, 2, 1. It's my platform. Don't fuck with my spiritual. Wait, okay.
Wow, it's so green too. It is. Good morning. Hello. I have class really soon, but I would like to show you my cactus that I'm growing. This is she. Okay, right now I'm packaging stuff for my jewelry business, Bivery Beach Shop. But I just kind of wanted to basically, I include these little slips in each thing, just kind of telling you where your money went. 25% of your purchase will be donated to the National Network of Abortion Funds. So I put those little things and I print these out onto onto Whole Food or just grocery bags. I cut them up into paper shape and then I just put them in my printer and print them out just to reuse. But I also have a shit ton of little scraps. Wait, this is not a scrap. Just so many scraps. And I have this little poop dog bag filled with just scraps. My goal this week is to turn these scraps into paper. I'm gonna make paper. I don't know if that's gonna be today, but I'm gonna make it in the next 3 days. And then use that paper for this, and then redo the whole process. Yeah. So, yeah, okay. That was the update. If I go to the hardware store and get some of the shit that I need for it, then I'll let you know.
The next day.
Okay, good morning. Today I have 2 tasks. 1, I want to make the paper, so I do need to go to the hardware store and get some wire or some screen. And then the second thing I want to do is make cookies. I saw it was either Megan Hughes or Rohini Elise, but they were making jam thumbprint cookies, and that's what I want to do. I used to love those at Christmas parties when I was little, so I'm gonna try to make those today. And I have a lot of homework and shit to do, but I'm gonna make this a Christmas day. It's gonna be a holiday celebration day because I need to get in the spirit. I haven't been in the Christmas spirit at all. And I want to do fun shit instead of just doing school, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Christmas lights! I wanna leave! This is my Christmas fit.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Doesn't show signs of stopping, and I've dropped me
Here is my actual fit check of the day. It's not that great, but I'm about to go to Goodman's to get my screen and then maybe Safeway. But I think I have all the ingredients for sugar cookies. So I'm actually going on a walk. So the cookies and paper might not happen today because I have class in an hour. I'm going on a walk with my dad and Zorro. Gotta prioritize the fam! Okay, I'm making these cookies right now, and I'm so fucking hyped. I have all the ingredients, so let's go. I'm listening to some Christmas music. Go follow me on Spotify right there. Yeah. Okay, and then the recipe I'm using on Delish, and it's not vegan. It has butter and eggs, but that's what they're hopefully gonna look like. So here are the ingredients. It's sugar, butter, egg, flour, baking powder, salt, and then like any jams. I don't even know if this is like good for cookies. It's just a jam that I like that we buy. And then this is like homemade apricot jam, I think, that I think my aunt gave to us, or I don't know. We just had this. It's yummy, so I'm gonna make those. I'm fucking stupid. It said soften the butter, not melt it. Ah! Sorry, I want a treat. Oh, good boy. Jesus Christ, this is disgusting. Oh no. Oh yeah. Ah! Oh my fucking god. Are you kidding me right now? Are you joking? Wow, beautiful. Nice one, Bella. Wow, so this is not fluffy. Like, you can really just feel the salt. Good thing I washed my hands, right? So, I'm probably not in focus. I just made the cookies, put them in the oven, gonna wait 13 minutes and clean all this up, and then eat them. They're done, but they're a little bigger than I expected, a little burnt. It's okay. It's okay. Little taste test. Hot. I mean, yeah. Pretty freaking good. It's hot still. It's good because they're dry, but then the jam like moistens them up, but you know, I fucked with it. It's my child. I'm proud. Yeah. They're actually so cute, and I'm proud. So I have class in 3 minutes, but what I'm gonna do during that class is shred all of this paper, and then like soak it for an hour. I'm just gonna like cut it up or rip it up into tiny little pieces, and then soak it in water for the derangement, is that a word, of my class. and then I'll like blend it and show you that whole process, but right now I'm just cutting, soaking, yeah. Yummy, right? 1, 2. For you, this is a good thumbnail. One thing I just noticed is that I probably did not soak the paper long enough, because it was way too hard to blend up, and it's just like still very separated, but I'm still gonna do it, and I'm gonna show you the process. The haters doubted me and I doubted myself. My brother was really out here saying that I was eating shit. Put a video on his story of me massaging that shit, so. But this is paper. This, once it dries, will be paper. Hello, it is the next day. I'm here with Zoro. He's sleeping, and the paper failed. Yeah, did not work out. It was way too thick, did not dry, and separated into like little balls. So I will be trying again one day. I don't know when that will be, but yeah, I thought I would just update you on that. I hope you enjoyed watching the process, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Good night, Moon. Good night.